Hello student, in this video we will start our chapter number 4 and the name of the chapter is multiplication. So here we will solve 3 fractions today, first, second and third, and I'm giving you some example over here of these questions, and the rest of the question you have to solve on your own. So few examples are written here. So first we'll read the question. The question is saying find the product of the following. What the meaning of product? If I'm saying find the product, it means we have to multiply. So if I'm saying find the product of 2 and 3, means we have to multiply and our answer will be 6. So the same thing we'll do here. The first number question is, means first example I'm giving is 847 into 6. So how will you multiply? First you will write 847 then 6. Now we'll start multiplying. So multiplying is very simple. So first we will multiply 6 and 7. The answer is 42. So we are writing as the answer is 42. So this number we will write here and this number we will write here as a carry. Now we will multiply 6 and 4. The answer is 24 and 4 is carry. Then the answer is 28. Means 28 is the answer. So 8 we will write here and 2 here as a carry. Now we will multiply 8 and 6. The answer is 48 and 2 is carry. Then the answer is 50. So this is the way how will you multiply. Now rest of the question you have to solve on your own on a copy, and then practice on 6, practice on 2. So here question are some different. So the question is saying find the following product by expanding the numbers. So 4 questions are given here and I'm solving 2 questions. So how will you find out the product by expanding the number? So in class 3rd you have read how to expand the numbers. Like suppose question number A is saying multiply 325 to 5 after expanding these numbers. So first we will write this number over here. The number is 325. So expanding, how to expand this number, I think you have read in class 3rd. So this is the way how will you expand the number. If you don't know, then I am explaining. Suppose this 325 is given here. First we will write the first number. The first number is 3, and after 3 how many numbers are given there? 2 numbers. Then we will mention 2 zeros here. Then after 3 2 is given here, and how many zeros are, how many numbers are after 2? Only one number, 5. Then we will mention 1 0 here. And after 5 is there any number there? No. Then we will write 5. So this is how we'll expand any number. Now after expanding, the answer is 300 plus 20 plus 5. Now we will multiply 325 into 5. So because we have expanded this number like this, 300 plus 20 plus 5, now we will multiply each number by 5 which is given here. So first we will write 300 into 5, then 320 into 5, then 5 into 5. Now after multiplying these two numbers we are getting 1500. After multiplying these two numbers, 28 into 5, 20 into 5, we are getting 100. After multiplying these numbers we are getting 25. Now our answer is 1625. So now here we will see the second question. Second question is same. So first we will write this number over here. Now we will expand these numbers. Now we will start multiplying these numbers, like 9000 into 8 plus 500 into 8 plus 60 into 8 plus 7 into 8. Now we will multiply one by one 9000 into 8. So as you can see, the number is bigger than usual. So how will you multiply? So I'm explaining here. Suppose first number is 9000, and second number is 8. Now you have to multiply these two numbers. How will you multiply? 9 8 72. So we are writing 72, means we are first multiplying these and these. So 9 8 72 we are writing here, and how many zeros are here? 3 zeros. Then we will write 3 zeros here. This is the way of multiplying bigger number. Now after multiplying 9000 to 8, we will multiply 500 to 8. So I am giving you an example. 500 into 8. You can multiply like this, or as I have told you, first you will multiply 8 and 5. The answer is 40. After 40, how many zeros are here? 2 zeros. I am mentioning 2 zeros here. The answer is now 4000. So after multiplying these two numbers, we are getting 72,000. After multiplying these two numbers, we are getting 4,000. And after multiplying 60 and 8, we are getting the answer 480. And after multiplying these two numbers, we are getting 56. Now we will add all the numbers, and the answer is 76,536. So this is the way of finding the product after expanding these numbers. So our third question is find the following products. So the question is not different from the first number, but here numbers are digits are bigger. So like first is 14,567 into 5, and second is 32,567. So here we will see how will we multiply these two numbers. So as you can see here, 14,567 is given here, and we have to multiply this number by 5. So I am multiplying over here. You have to see 7 5 ja 35. So we will write 7 5 ja 35, means we will write 3 here and 5 here. So this is 35. Now 3 is carry. Now we will multiply 6 into 5. 6 5 is 30, and because 3 is carry, then we will write 33. Like 33, we will write 3 here and 3 here. Now we will multiply 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 25, and we will add 3. So the answer is 28. We will write 8 here and 2 here. Now we will multiply 5 into 4. The answer is 20, and 2 is carry. Then we will write 20. 2 here and 0 here. Now we will multiply 5 into 1, and 2 is already here. So 7. Sorry, 2 will be here after adding the carry. So this is the way how will you multiply these two numbers. The digits are bigger than usual, or this is not tough, as you have solved many questions before in class 3rd. So second question you can see like 32,567 is given, and in second place 3 is given. So we will start multiplying. 7 3 ja 21. We are writing 1 here, and we will write 2 here as a carry. So now 3 6 ja 18. 2 carry is given here, so the answer is 20. So we will write as the answer is 20, we will write this 0 here and this 2 here as a carry. Now 3 5 ja 15, and because 2 is carry, then the answer is 17. So we will write 7 here and 1 here as a carry. 3 6 ja 3 2 ja 6, and 1 is given here, means the answer is 7 here, and last 3 3 ja 9. So after seeing these question, you have to solve rest of the question, rest of left question, and you have to solve these question in your math copy. So practice zone first, in practice zone first 6 questions are given, and practice zone second 2 we have solved here, and 2 more questions are given you have to solve. In practice zone third 2 we have solved here, and 2 questions you have to solve on your own.